our attention, our work regarding the asking questions, so that will be with the full energy. If we will start our work with this potential, like everybody says that the sun rises. If somebody take this light only 10 to 15 minutes in a, whenever the sun rise, it will helpful to the whole day to maintain this energy. Similarly, now today I would like to hear something delivered to all of you. All you know very well about the examination that will conducted in the second week of the October. Start from this and it will lead up to the end of October. So now in your classes the teachers has started your revision about the syllabus. I think syllabus that has already given into the classes, and expect all you are also working with the syllabus. This is the enough time to prepare yourself about the term examination. No one be feel free himself to, because this time is only required to provide your 100% potential regarding the syllabus. Read your books carefully. Each and every line of your textbook be read it carefully, because the scenario of the paper formation that will completely change. In earlier that I have message in the regular assembly. So everybody be work on their content, not be learn the questions, work properly. Today I would like to address one thing. We regularly announce that work very hard. What is the difference between the work and the work very hard? The work hard. If you know that, nothing is there. Hard work, that would student, both of them are same. The one of them leads to the work hard and second one is only work. The differences are only and only that hard work, that is not required to be like that a heavy stone to be break by a hammer. That is not a hard work. This is the hard work, but in sense of the study, we require your hard work is that you do regularly your practice in return. Many of the students, they are faces a lot of problems, but we regularly counsel them only required written practice. Attentive in your classes, teachers are announcing regularly do practice. Multiple revision are required to be perfect in that particular content. If somebody is do so, you definitely achieve this expectation you deserve. Only this requirement is to be create yourself. You identify your empowering yourself. So work on it and regularly sit along sitting with your contents, because whenever the concentration be developed towards content, thereafter if you immediately take some little break, it means the concentration immediately break. So that's why I request to all of you, be sit along. At least whenever you sit to study, 1 hour 30 minutes. I notice in the DHR mostly students are filled 2 hours. What happens in 2 hours? Nothing. At least 5 hours, 4 hours, that is minimum required for a student whoever class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know that result who give their sacrifice. Rest of them, they are in the struggling phase. The struggle is for everywhere. But in this struggle, who saves themselves? Only who works according to this struggle. Required time management. Short notes. Many of the students, they are preparing their chapters, but nobody having the habit to prepare the short notes. This is a very deficiency in the reading to the content. You know very well, in the board examination, whenever the test of a particular subject, you have some gaps in each and every subject. So in the meantime, there are, suppose you have 16 chapter in the single one subject. So this gap is sufficient to prepare that content. But whenever you lead to any competitive examination, you think that there is a syllabus of whole book, whole different books, like political science, like maths, like science, like English, and if you count the chapters are more than 100, maybe 100. Then how is it possible to cover in a single day? Which is impossible. But you feel that, you already know that the NEET JEE students are preparing like that, 720 out of 720, JEE 300 out of 300. How is it possible? Earlier I already told it's impossible, but the student has made the mind. Nothing is impossible. That's why regarding it, what he should do? Only practice. In the practice, this smartness is required, which is this: whenever he is studying the chapter, he makes the short complete note. Short complete note meaning whenever the teacher is taking the classes, this chapter lead to the 30 pages, 40 pages of this chapter, but whenever you studied at your home, you make these notes in only 3-4 pages. Whenever the time of examinations are there, you just read this short complete note, and whenever you are free, in anywhere, in bus, in school period, if you are free, you immediately put out this short note from the bag and just revise it. You feel that this short note regularly being touched, and you feel that nothing is impossible. The chapter, whenever this will be taught by the teacher into the month of Feb, now I am studying in the month of November, but whenever the test will conducted of this chapter, you got the marks out of out. Reason is that regularly you are in touch with this content. Only briefing, short note made by your own self, this required. Somebody do like that, read the NCERT book properly. References are available, but first read your eligible, your authenticated book which is allotted by your board, and tick each and every content which is written there, has it completed or not. When you go through with the references, again you tick the same content that I have read in the NCERT, tick them. Remaining some of the content you heard new in the references, you list it out and make these points in your doubt list. So immediately you know that some of the things that would be I know from the references, that would not teaching by your teacher into the NCERT. In case you this doubt list be write in your any notebook, when you comes into the school, ask to your teacher. Maybe teacher takes time, but whenever the time comes regarding this content, he will explain you properly. If such of the habits you develop in yourself, definitely you will have the expecting what is in your mind, that would very easy to achieve. Things are reformed. Requirement of this is only and only this. During classroom, whenever the teacher are telling about the content, your all sense organs should be alert. Not be involved in the talking, not be involved in the gossipings. Some of the students, they are having the activities like nails chewing, talk with the other friends. These activities are shows that one of the your perfect organ, brain, that would not there in the presence of class. These activities we notice through the CCTVs. Students are, this student doing like that. How he has to be concerned on the board? It's not possible. The reason is that he cannot get as much expected score in the examination. Only and only this is the reason. Students, point of examination, not that this is the part of evaluation. Don't be fear. We are studying in the classroom. We are with our teachers. After the finishing of our content, thereafter we self learning, discussion, regular practice with a time frame. The key of success is only and only that you how much you practice of a questions, how much you practice. If you do like that, you think that your abilities are strong as compared to the previous. So this type of practice if you do in your regular same framework, any if you having the prompt in any activity, same things are there. You know very well, some students are got the reward prize. If you study their pattern, you feel that something they have do differ as compared to the other students. If somebody is do like that, definitely he will achieve their success. There is board examination students are also there. Now your duty to be mostly syllabus that have, I think it's going to be finished at the month of September end or maybe the first week of October. Now the duty start of a student. How much you work, how much you expect. 100% and no one be available that deduct any marks. Only thought is required. Because this much time you have. September end you have the syllabus that in your hand. October, November, December, January and Feb 15. There are this much of time you have in your hand. Only your determination is required and the practice what teacher told into the classes nowadays. Concern over this and regular I will self practice at my home. Only this trend if you follow in your regular practice, you will, what you expect, you can get. 12th students are there. They have to decide, they have to plan also about the next career. Because it has no weight. If somebody is only thinking that now I am concerning over 12th. No. This is a time to concern over 12th over as well as concern your next upcoming competition exam. Because this will not wait. As similar many of the students they are practicing at the same time not only about the content of 12th as well as the content of competition. Only this requirement, your thought is required. If you do so, now the time is, everything is in your head. Only you just search and work on it. Make plan. In any examination of school, don't miss it out. Reason is that you feel that in an examination, whenever the paper are there in front of you on your desk, you feel the paper have the question which have completed our teachers in day-to-day practice. You feel happy. All these questions are completely match which has already done into the practices. So no one will miss your examinations, whether it may be CT, whether it may be PT term. Do you think teachers are planned about the questions? Not only like this, just we have to form a paper. No, they have some potential questions are of this chapter. Regularly they have intention. These questions are regularly provided in form of test, in form of any term test, PT test. So that's why students are heavily in the habit of practice of such question. So whenever such of the question comes in the examination, he feel there is nothing any problem in this paper. Positivity, and this positivity automatically turns into a strong score. Now, in regular practice, one suggestion also I would like to provide you. whenever the questions are attempting in a proper manner, suppose the questions are short answer question, long answer question, you should solve each and every question in a proper sequence. Reason is that students are having the tendency that the long questions are there in case I will solve this in the last. No, solve at the time whenever question is there. Because the situation that would be create in examination, that opportunity are not there. The question are maybe strong, maybe small. So the mind has the tendency. In our previous practice, if I do so, then there is nothing, any problem out in your mind to read the question and solve it. But whenever the question, such practice are in your regular classes, then same will take place into the examination. Suppose the question are long, leave it, first solve whatever I know. No, start from first. Reading or interpretation, that is also matters. Many of the students, they read the question, only read, but never try to write. Start writing. What you think? Start on your paper. Don't wait. Whenever you do something, you feel that something around the question. I am where? I am here around, near around the question. But only you just read. Nothing is on the paper, on your notebook. It means you interpretation are not there according to the reading. Interpret कर कौन रहा है? माइंड. आप थोड़ी कर रहे हैं.